In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request Confluence access. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do when you have a page link but can't open it because it's restricted. First, make sure you're signed into your Confluence account. Use the same site and credentials you normally use at work so your permissions are recognized. Being logged in is important because Confluence only shows access options based on who you are and what spaces you already belong to. Next, confirm you have the direct link to the page you want to access. This is usually a URL someone shared with you or a link you copied from another message or document. Having the exact link ensures you're requesting access to the right page and not a parent page or a similar article. Now go to another window. You can open a new browser window or a new tab so you don't lose your place in anything else you're working on. In that new window, paste the link into the address bar and press enter to visit the page. If the page owner set the privacy to only me, you'll see a restricted content message instead of the page itself. That message is Confluence's way of telling you the page exists, but you don't currently have permission to view it. This is normal whenever content is locked down to a very small audience or a single owner. On that restricted content screen, click the Ask for Access button. Depending on your organization's settings, it may also appear as Request Access. When you click it, Confluence prepares a request for the page owner to review. You may see a small dialog that confirms the request will be sent. In some setups, you can include a brief note explaining why you need access, which helps the owner approve it quickly. After you submit, an email will be sent to the owner letting them know you're requesting access. They can approve or deny the request, and once it's approved, you'll be able to refresh the page and view the content. If you don't hear back right away, give it some time, as approvals depend on the owner's availability. One important note, the request access option only appears if you're already a member of the space where that page lives. If you don't belong to that space, you won't see the button, and Confluence won't send a request from that page. That's it. You've learned how to request Confluence access using a page link and what to expect after you send the request. Thanks for watching.